Magandang hapon po ng March 17, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 17, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, March 17, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 17, 2025 Monday. Here are the Tunas jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, March 17, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for March 17, 2025 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.